This is Mr. Lazy Lizard, and today we have Luke again in Airsoft. We did paintball a few videos ago, so we're switching over to Airsoft. We're gonna see how it works out, and we might at the end do a capture the flag type game mode. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we'll see you guys in round one.
Alright guys, so I'm pretty much gonna do the same strategy as I did in paintball. I'm just going to rush him a lot, make him scared, and hopefully use a lot of ammo.
Lizard, I'm going to share my strategy real quick. I'm going to try to stay back here, starting somewhere around there, so I'm going to get here as fast as I can and start spraying him with shots, trying to overwhelm him. And I'm just going to see how that goes. Alright guys, we're starting in 3, 2, 1, go! That is round one. Luke hit me in the face mask. So we're gonna move on to round two. See you guys when we start. Today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to like and comment more Airsoft, and I'll make sure to bring more of these videos to you guys. And comment if you prefer Airsoft or paintball, because we'll bring those videos to you guys. Subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.